Okay. Hello. Good evening, bro. Bobby.
Hello, good evening, Yasana.
Okay. How are you today?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
Yes, it's a great day. Thank you so much for asking.
Yes, thank you.
So we still waiting for bro Michael. Do you want to start the class or want to wait?
I think Bro Michael explained he cannot join in this
Oh,
class
really?
in
Okay, let's check
the WhatsApp group.
in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, I haven't checked it yet. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's just two of us for today.
Yes, finally I get chance to private class with Yasana.
Private class with affordable price.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever taken private class before in speaking partner?
Yes, last year, yeah, last year or last 2 years.
Okay. And what level is it, bro?
I'm forget this in the 10 or I think if I choose private, it's not level, yeah. It's just English for business or
Yeah, actually for private you can request your own material, like which level that you want to learn in depth. Jadi kalau misal di kelas private itu bisa milih levelnya level berapa, so the tutor will follow it.
hmm,
So at the moment you take in 10th level, level 10.
yeah. If I'm not mistaken, yes, yes. But
Yeah.
I already joined for private class.
Okay. So what things that makes you finally make a decision I want to join the regular class, not private class again?
Yes, of course, the price, yeah, because I pay by myself, not by my company.
Oh, okay.
Uh, I would like to try assist with the several friends in or another members, yeah. And first try, I'm excited, and then I continue to join another class.
So you interest to join again in regular class?
Yeah, it's not make boring.
Mhm. Yeah, because sometimes in a private class only you and the tutor, and it's just sometimes it's more fun when you have a friend to talk apart from your tutor. That's why
Yeah.
I usually in regular class I have like 30 minutes or 40 minutes time for the member to talk to each other because I think it's more effective than only talking face to face with the tutor sometimes.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now this one for today. As usual, this we start the class by asking you some question, Bobby. And this is the first question. We will talk about sharing your experience about something. And the first thing, please share a time when you helped someone and how it made you feel.
Help someone. Okay. Uh, in, ini tapi bukan berarti sombong ya, sis. Just sharing
Yeah,
experience ya.
yes, it is the sharing experience.
Okay, yeah. I have friends when I meet him
Mm-hmm.
when I work part time in the college, yeah, in the college, and I know him so well. They have a family with two doctor, and then after long time we not contact uh, in the apa pada waktu itu apa ya sih?
At the moment.
At the moment, yeah.
Mhm.
At the moment, he WhatsApp me and then asking how are you, something like that. And after that, he want to borrow some money for for his doctor, maybe, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, at this at the moment I have enough money, yeah, and I share to him, but I say you not need, ya,
Mm-hmm.
to uh, kembalikan apa sih?
Return.
You no need to return, but I cannot give you money as you want. But I have some money, but you can keep the money and no need to return.
Mhm. So you give the money for free for your friend.
Yes,
Yeah, okay. And then how it made you feel after helping your friend?
yeah, because I know he is not have a good career. Yeah,
Mm,
he like moving from another company, and then it's not, I think it's not loyal, yeah.
mm,
And the age is already, I think it's not good, apa ya, prima, udah nggak, umurnya udah, the age is not, apa sih, qualify, ya, could qualify to find the working or company
mm.
to work. And I feel good after that, and I want to, apa ya, bersyukur apa sih,
Grateful.
grateful, ya, with my condition and with my spirit, or opportunity in my company at that time.
Okay, so by giving the money for free to your friend, it makes you feel grateful with your condition that you have at least a better job, a better position in your company than your friends.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you always did this thing like when someone's want to lend or borrow your money and then you just give it for free? Did you always do this thing?
Not at all, but I must know the condition of
Mm.
my friend.
Okay, so
They
if
have,
you,
especially if they have the doctor or son. Yes, yes.
mm,
I know the condition is not good. Yeah, if they have some problem with uh, economic, yeah,
mm, with financial,
financial, yes, financial, economic,
they have financial problem. You
yes,
will helping them, especially when they have a kid.
yes.
Wow, you are such a kind person. You and okay, next question, Bro Bobby. Have you ever been lost? What happened and how did you find your way?
Loss, loss. Okay, I have a bad experience speaking about loss. Yeah,
Okay, what is it?
I remember when I senior high school, and then I got my first phone from my parents,
Mhm,
and the phone is, I still remember, is Nokia Express Music, the newest type of Nokia, and then I got the my first handphone, and then it's only 2 days or 3 days, the latest type,
so
the
it-
newest is,
Oh, the newest.
yeah, the newest type of Nokia, and then it's only 3 days.
Mm-hmm. What happened?
Um, the phone is lost after I school, yeah. After I finish school, and then I go home, and then when I arrive in my home, I check where is my phone and the phone is gone.
Oh my God. You must be very sad at the moment because this is your first phone.
Yes, sad and then scary. Yes, it's
Mm.
scary to explain my parents, yeah, because my first phone, yeah, it's bad,
And
bad
it's just
experience.
3 days ago, baru 3 hari.
Yeah, this is a new because I waiting for a long time. Yeah, if
Mm.
we go back to when I senior high school, my friend have a phone since junior high school or uh, elementary, yeah, or maybe junior high school, yeah. But in that time, I don't have a phone. When I senior high school, my parents give me the phone, but only 3 days. Bad experience.
That is a bad experience. And how did you find your way at the moment? Do you finally explain to your parents that the phone just lost?
Yes, of course, I must explain to them,
Then,
and yeah, a little bit make angry, yes, yes.
mm,
And I have a punishment, yes, is hukuman, ya.
punishment, hukuman. What is it?
Yes. With 1 year, 1 year is not I not have a phone. My parents not give me a phone until 1 year again.
Okay, you have to wait for 1 year for get the new phone.
Yeah, I think my parents trauma.
Yeah, because maybe at the moment Nokia is one of the, what is it? Expensive, expensive
Yeah,
brand at that time, right?
at that time the price a little bit expensive, and then
Yeah,
the newest technology, I think, or the newest type from Nokia is Express Music.
Nokia Express Music.
Hmm.
Okay, and then finally your parents punish you for not giving the phone, waiting
Yeah,
for 1 year. And then after 1 year, do they give you a new phone?
yeah, new but not expensive or not good phone. Yeah, just for enough to communication and SMS. Yes,
Well,
at that time.
yeah, they afraid will repeat the same
Yes.
experience. Okay, all right. So, what year is it, bro?
In my senior high school, sis, aduh, I'm forget. 2010 or yeah, I
Okay. In
forget.
your first year of senior high school, tahun
Second
berapanya?
year, second year.
Second year. Okay, you must be patient for waiting the next year to get a new phone, while your friend is already have their phone since
Yes.
they are in elementary or even junior high school.
Hmm.
Okay, all right. Next question, bro. What is the most surprising thing that has ever happened to you? Surprising.
Surprising. Yeah. Okay. Your question one, two, three is a memorable question, is this?
Yes. You have to take a look back to your past memory.
Best memory, okay. Maybe when my wife has a pregnancy,
Pregnant.
because before that I lost my kid. He not good apa is we lose in the my wife already pregnant in the 6 or 7 months, but in not good condition. My first son, I lose him, sis.
Mm.
and then after that I'm waiting around 3 months or 6 months. Yeah.
Mhm.
I surprising. Then my wife pregnant again. It 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 that moment I was surprised.
Also happy, of course.
Yes, surprised and happy.
Okay. So it's your first kid.
Yes, this is my. I think second is because the first is we lose kayak meninggal.
Pass away, or you can
Pass away in the pregnancy. Yes, yes.
or you can say also miscarriage,
Mm.
keguguran.
Miscarriage.
Marriage. Atau kalau mau bilang pass away, itu
Pass
juga
away.
meninggal.
Mm.
Okay. Alright. You must be very sad at the moment because you lost your first kid, but
First kid,
finally
yes.
first kid.
Mm.
That is the most surprising thing. Ah, this one. Share a time when you had a cultural experience that amazed you, and what did you learn?
Cultural. Mm.
And
Experience that amaze you. I think when I visit uh, kulturally budaya ya sis ya.
yes, it can be budaya atau mungkin kebiasaan orang-orang gitu.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
When
when the
I
first time you move to Jakarta, you feel shocked that the people in Jakarta is like this, different with your home country or hometown.
hmm, yeah, my cultural experience maybe about traveling.
Mhm,
When I go to Nusa Tenggara Timur,
mhm,
I traveling there to Kupang, and then I traveling to some place with a car, maybe 3 hour from Kupang, and then I have a shock with the I think a new culture experience from me because in there is some restaurant, but they grill the they grill the apa sih they grill the animal beside the restaurant. I think the fresh, yeah, and then we eat with a good view.
what kind of animal is it?
In Kupang NTT, the famous is ini ya sis apa? Jadi nggak enak ngomong. Ini sis apa babi.
Oh, okay, all right.
I think a lot the people is Christian ya in
Uh-huh.
Kupang ya,
Christian.
and because I don't have experience like that in the Surabaya sis. We
Mm,
build the animal and then we can show ya. We
mm.
can see the process grill, and then after that the beside grill room is the restaurant.
Mm. So the meat or the bacon is still fresh.
Yes, the meat is still fresh because in Surabaya especially we cannot see the process of the grill ya,
Mm-hmm.
from the fresh meat until but the food is already to.
Perfect.
Yes.
That is the. Do you feel the difference between the bacon that you eat in Surabaya and in NTT? Because you say that in NTB,
Mm, NTT.
NTT is fresh. Do you feel the difference maybe in taste or
Yes.
texture or something like that? What is the difference?
The difference is if we in Java, yes, is
Mm-hmm.
we only food like pork or bacon is in the Chinese food, yeah,
Uh-huh.
good the good food. But if you go like in the Nusa Tenggara Timur, the meat is just a grill and then the close by daun jati sis. And then the only uh, kecap ya, apa kecap bahasa Inggris?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, and then the close by daun jati, and then we eat with rice and sambal. Sambal pun is not sambal mentah, sambal mentah yang tanpa proses masak itu ya. Yes,
Alright. So
different.
there is not a lot of process
Yes.
for the pork, still fresh. Which
Hmm.
one do you prefer, bro? If you have to choose.
Okay. I think for healthy, better Chinese food, yes, is because we eat mixed with the vegetable
Mm,
or soup, something like that.
mm,
Same
okay.
with we eat sat kambing, yes.
Yes, okay. Because in Chinese food there sometimes mix it with a lot of vegetable or another
Yeah,
ingredients, not only the
ingredients,
pork, not only the meat.
the meat, yes.
Okay, all right, that's cool. Your cultural experience. Next question, bro. Share a time when you had to adapt to a new environment and how did you manage? It can be the environment where you live or new office environment or something like that.
Yeah, new environment like when I moved from Surabaya office to Bekasi office, yes, yes. There is, I think, new environment. Kalau di bahasa sendiri environment apa ya, Sis?
Environment itu lingkungan.
Oh, lingkungan. Oke, oke. The new environment ya. I think because the people in Bekasi office is too much than Surabaya office,
Too
and then
much.
too much ya, lebih banyak ya, Sis, lebih banyak
Ah, okay.
than Surabaya office because they have logistic and then production and marketing. Before that, I just communication with them only by chat, MS Team, or by phone. And now, actually, I meet them almost every I go to the office.
Mm, okay. So the things that you have to adapt is there are more people in Bekasi office because all of the
Yes.
division are there.
Yes.
Okay. How many people when you were in Surabaya office?
Okay. I in the Gresik, Surabaya office is only it's not too much. Yes, it's on the logistic. I think 50 ya. No, 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 30 I think.
30, only 30.
Yeah,
30.
almost 30. Yes.
Okay. And then how many people are there in your current office in Bekasi?
I think more than 100 people. Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. All right, of course. Because this is the head office, right, in Bekasi?
Yes, Bekasi. We have two ya, in Bekasi and Cilengsi, and
Bilang.
totally the employee around 100, more than 100 ya.
Okay. Wow, that's great. That's great amount. Okay, next question, Bro Bobby. Share a time when you witnessed an act of kindness and how did it impact you?
Witness. What is witness?
Witness means when you see someone doing something kind,
Oh, witness.
kayak menyaksikan gitu, melihat sebagai saksi.
Hmm. An actor and oh, how did impact to you? Okay. Maybe the I only see in the TV maybe or social media.
Okay, what is it?
Social media ya maybe sis right now when we
Okay.
see the uh, people give food or money to low level ya sis. Especially if you remember in the pandemic moment,
Mm,
some people, some rich people ya give help help helping ya.
okay.
Mhm. Kindness to low level. And how did impact you? Yeah, sometimes if I have enough money or enough rezeki ya sis, I share with the my close friend or my close team ya, employee in the office. Just simple things like lunch maybe. Yes, something like that sis.
So when you see the kindness, it inspire you to do the
Mm,
same thing, like sharing with others.
yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. Talking about COVID that you mentioned previously, do COVID like impact in your job or in your
Mm,
company? How is it? How is the impact of COVID at the moment?
yes, at the moment, I think with another company, yeah, we all of us starting meeting with the online,
Mm-hmm.
and we shocked to. It's not usually we online meeting, yes,
Mm-hmm.
and I have experience when the pandemic, I must go to my project in Bali, and then yes, the procedural is very strict, yes, is strength,
Trick, trick.
strict ya. I must send the apa COVID test, apa ya tesnya lupa. Tes apa sih waktu pandemik itu?
I forgot the name actually. It's
Ya,
long time ago.
yeah, we must send the submit the COVID test before we go. But the impact, I think, yeah, online meeting yes is until now we usually or sometimes if the person or my team cannot meet in the one room in the meeting offline meeting, usually we online meetings is same with the at the moment in pandemic moment.
Okay, so there is a transformation, yeah, Bria, in terms of meeting. Like previously, when we want to do a meeting with someone, we have to meet directly. But since
Yes.
COVID, there is another option. Like we can do meeting even we cannot meet in person.
Hmm.
Okay. What about the what is it? The sales, the supply and demand in your company when COVID? Is it the same or how is it?
Yeah, of course we decrease the sales,
Mm-hmm.
but some like some segment high or still consistencies like for example my material for repair or maintenance, yeah, because everyone at home, and then they do not do anything outside this is,
Yes.
and then they stay at home and repair their home.
Mm-hmm.
Ya, jadi material for maintenance is consistent, and
Mm-hmm.
I think going up, yes, because
Oh,
everyone buy the material to repair or maintenance their home, because
okay.
they everyone have enough time, yeah, at home.
Yes, and then they want to like change the situation at home, do
Yes.
renovation or something like that. Okay, so it is the demand is increasing for the material.
Yeah, still good results, is, but
Mm-hmm.
not increase with high sales, yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
still increase, still good result.
Okay. So it is increasing slightly.
Yes, increasing slightly.
Kayak naik tapi naiknya dikit-dikit gitu. Yeah, this one, next question too. Share a time when you discover a new hobby or interest.
Yes, new hobby.
Oh, I think I have asked you about this one, ya,
Yeah,
kemarin.
yesterday yes, it's cycling to running. Yeah.
Yes, about cycling and running. All right, next question then.
Okay.
Share a time when you had to be really creative to solve a problem. What was your solution?
Be really creative to solve a problem. Okay. Yeah, maybe problem. Almost my problem in work, and then what's your solution? Yes, solution. Yeah. My solution about in work it's okay kan sis?
Yes, it's okay. You can mention the example, case example of this.
The case, yeah, okay. My because my material is chemical that and then have a expired date. Yes, is after the production process is 12 months, and then I have a big problem in last time. The product is expired because the miscommunication with the logistic team. I think the logistic team is not FIFO first in first out in their warehouse. After that, I must sell this sell this product, yeah, because if I cannot sell and then the material want to destroy and then destroy, we must pay to the vendor. That's why more more expense. And then my solution is I sell to the some project with not strict, yes, not strict procedure, but they want to cheaper material. That's why we make some deal.
Oh, so some deal, at least the product is sold
Yeah, sold with special price, of course.
at a special price.
Mm.
Okay. So if your company have to destroy the materials, you have to pay the vendor for doing that.
Yeah, we must to pay, and then we must lost my we can say our money as is
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah,
double cost. Yeah.
double cost. They
Yes,
lost the money, like decreasing the revenue, and also have to pay the vendor for
oh
destroying
yes.
the
Mm.
material. No.
Because chemical cannot destroy in the public area or
Mm.
public apa ya, public plan,
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Yes, because it is dangerous material.
Yes, material. Yes.
Dangerous material. Okay, wow. Let's move on this. All right. So for today, actually, Bro Bobby, we have some negotiation vocabularies just for information about this one. Mungkin boleh dibaca aja before we continue the discussion.
Okay,
Boleh dibaca.
negotiation vocabulary comply to obey or act according to an agreement, consensus, a generally accepted decision among a group of people, counterpart, a person on the other side of the negotiations, trade off, an agreement between two sides in which each side gives up something it had won, lowball, to make an offer that is unfairly or unrealistically low, leverage, the power to influence people and get the results you want, highball, to make a request that is much higher than what you expect to receive, deadlock, a complete failure to reach an agreement or settle an argument. Bargain, to argue with somebody in order to reach an arrangement, especially about the price of something. Common ground, things that you agree on that side, having many things you disagree on.
Okay. One more. One more. Satu lagi. Masih ada yang lain.
Mana sis?
This is the different slide. Ini slide beda.
Oh,
Tadi
sorry,
ini,
sorry.
sekarang yang ini.
Oh, I think same slide.
Nah, it's different.
Okay. No negotiable. Describe something that cannot be changed through discussion. Bottom line, the final offer someone will accept. Compensate, to provide something good to balance or reduce the bad effect of damage, loss, etc. etc bahasanya apa sis? etc.
ETC, it means etc. Ini tuh dia sebenarnya etc.
etc.
Ini tulisannya.
Dan lain-lain nih.
Ya, artinya DLL dan lain-lain.
etc. etc. Okay. Concession, an agreement between concession. Concession, an agreement between two sides in which each side give up something it had won. Demand, a very strong request for something, usually something that somebody needs. Proposal, a written formal suggestion, plan or idea. Counter proposal, a written proposal made by someone who has rejected a proposal. Compromise, to argue with somebody in order to reach an agreement, especially about the price or of something. Terms and conditions, rules that you must agree to when you make a contract or an official agreement. Okay, the last I cannot see is thank you. Hegel, to try to reach an agreement with someone in order to get a lower price.
Okay, all right. That is the negotiation vocabulary that you may have to know about, just in case if you had to negotiate with someone in your company. All right, and we have a video actually, Bro Bobby. Kita punya video untuk ditonton about negotiation in office. And after this, nanti kita tonton dulu sebentar, kayak cuma 2 menit. And I want to check your understanding about the video. Nanti sis Ana tanya kira-kira Bro Bobby apa yang ditangkap gitu dari video ini. Okay.
My choir review was brutal.
Is it audible? Ada suaranya?
Already so pruny.
This is fixable.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Do you need subtitle? Butuh subtitle atau nggak usah?
It's okay sis. Sorry. I mean subtitle, okay.
Oke, pakai subtitle ya, Bro ya. Alright.
I'm very happy to announce that we have been provided with funds to improve our office environment. The purpose of this meeting is to share our ideas for how we can improve the working environment and decide how the money will be spent. I'd like to open this up for ideas. Tom, would you like to start?
Thanks, Jill. The way I see it, the first thing we need to solve is the old coffee machine. It rarely works properly and causes more stress than anything else in the office.
I'm afraid I disagree with you on that one. It's sometimes a minor inconvenience. But if the worst comes to the worst, we can always use the instant coffee in the kitchen. I mean, if the coffee machine doesn't work, it's not the end of the world. As far as I'm concerned, We should spend the money on new chairs and desks. Lots of people suffer from backaches because our current chairs are cheap and uncomfortable. If we all had comfortable chairs, I feel that productivity, not to mention employee happiness, would improve significantly.
Surely it makes more sense to take care of the basics first. If you ask me, we should do something about the air conditioning in the building. We all have to breathe this air. And if it's dirty, we're all going to get sick. The way I see it, this is the priority.
I have to side with Frank on this one. I often get headaches when I'm at work, and I think it might be because of the dusty air.
These are all great suggestions. And as far as I am concerned, any of them would be great use of the money. I suggest that we now go through the pros and cons of each suggestion before making a decision. So let's look at Tom's suggestion first.
Okay, do you get it? Or we need to play it one more time? Mau di-play sekali lagi, Bro Bobby?
Okay, sis, I got it.
Okay, all right. So, what are they talk about?
Yeah, the boss have a plan to new environment,
Mhm.
and then some staff explain some idea. The first one is machine coffee, and then after that, air condition, and then they have some argument. Is it needed or not?
Right, that's all?
Yes, that's all.
All right. Have you ever experienced this thing? Like you have to want to change the environment in office and have this kind of meeting like this, Bro Bobby?
We usually not apa sih, care about the environment in the office, especially my team, because we not go to the office. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you are not stay in office
Yes.
only.
I think like argument in the video. I think we have some. If we have some guests from the regional visit Indonesia, and sometimes we argument about what the agenda for the day one, and then where is the good place for the lunch or dinner, something like that.
So it's more about like planning an agenda
Yes,
for the
planning agenda.
regional meeting. Okay, all right then. Okay, so that's all actually for the material. Let's continue for the discussion. We have speaking time as usual. It's supposed to be you and Bro Michael to talk about this one. Harusnya Bro Bobby dan Bro Michael. But since today is only two of us, so let's continue with me. This is the first one, Bro Bobby. Share a time when you learned something important from a mistake and what did you learn?
Mistake. I do a mistake, something like that. Is
Yes, that's right. Like when you do something wrong, you do some mistake and you learn something from that. Belajar dari kesalahan gitu.
yeah. When I wrong uh, the example work about work, it's okay. Sis.
Yes, it's okay. All right. You are
Yeah,
such a working person, yeah, bro. Yeah, it's all about work.
yeah, because I don't have any idea.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I learned when I do wrong. Yes, it's about the forecasting For example, forecasting product, I learned to much detail for the forecasting and communicate with my team.
Okay. So you have ever done like wrong forecasting?
Yes, from forecasting.
Okay. Okay. The second one, share a time when you had a funny or embarrassing experience.
Embarrassing experience. Apa ya sis ya? Maybe wrong apa ya? Wrong uniform maybe.
On uniform, you have ever done this?
Yeah, wrong uniform yeah. Because we have some agenda with the customer or client, and then my leader say before the agenda, please use batik, and then I forget to bring my batik.
And then what happened
And
after that?
yeah, it's still going on, but I use my work uniform.
Oh, okay. And then what did your boss do about that?
Ya, only apa ya? Menggelengkan kepala itu apa sih? Kayak udah maklum gitu ya.
Oh, okay, okay. He understand the mistake.
Yeah, understand. Yes, the mistake.
Yeah, because it is only about the uniform.
Yeah, but everyone asking where is your batik?
Okay, so that is your embarrassing
Yes.
experience. Share a time. This is about working again.
Working.
Share a time when you had to work as a part of team and how did it go?
Okay. Had to work yeah as part of the team. Yeah, for the next week I have a agenda. It's like a national meeting. It is for client or from distributor, and we work as a team to prepare, for example, prepare hotel, prepare uh, lunch, prepare for dinner, prepare for the list of the apa sih susunan acara itu.
Susunan acara. The agenda.
Ya, the agenda ya. The agenda and the of course some prepare souvenir ya sis.
For the
Hmm.
souvenir. All right. So there will be like a big gathering,
Big gathering ya, national gathering
national
for
gathering.
distributor, yes.
Okay. What is the agenda at that time?
At Semarang sis.
Oh, in Semarang.
This is the first time the gathering outside from Jakarta,
Mm-hmm.
because my distributor or my client come from East Java and then uh, Medan, and then
Mm-hmm.
but almost in the Jakarta. That's why we want to new apa ya sis, new moment ya, or new experience.
New experience for
Yes.
them. Okay, all right. So why Semarang? I mean, like there are a lot of big city like Surabaya or maybe Jogja.
Yeah, I think Semarang is the middle ya of
Mm,
Java.
yeah.
My distributor come from uh, Jakarta, can using on car,
Mm-hmm.
using car, and then some distributor from Surabaya also can using car, but we already prepared the transportation by railway,
Mm-hmm.
by train,
Mm-hmm.
or railways is
By train.
by train, but
Kalau railway itu lebih ke rel. Jalan.
orang yang ke train. But some distributor choose the by car, and then we little bit happy because we save the budget.
Oh, okay. So actually, they are provided to using by train, the train ticket, but they prefer to use their own car.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. All right. So how long is the agenda, bro? How many days?
just only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for 4 days.
4 days.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
So what time our class finishes this week?
Our class will finish this week.
Oh, what the day?
In
Thursday.
Friday.
Oh, in Friday. Okay.
Yes, this Friday we will finish this class. So when is the agenda? Next week?
Next week, yeah. Next week,
Next
24.
Oh, okay. 24 of February.
24 February.
Okay, yes, the class is already finished. So maybe you will hold for take the next class, yeah, bro, yeah?
Next level, sis.
Next level. Have you registered for that, by the way?
Yeah, I still confused. I continue in the next level or level 12, yes, sis. What do you think?
Next level or level 12?
Yes.
Okay, what is your consideration to take the 12th level?
Yeah, because last time I already joined the 10 and 10
Mhm.
this level, and then so 12 I already joined, but
Oh, okay.
I need some experience ya, like too hard apa kayak in the class is like apa ya, mikirnya keras gitu.
Oh, okay. You need
12
the higher level, butuh kelas yang lebih mikir.
it is the hard is same or just gimana sih yang di
Uh, Actually, let me check for the material ya. Di sana cek dulu materialnya. This one. Nah, for bulan 10. This one. Ini bulan 11. Wait. Can you see it, bro? Sudah tampil belum?
not yet.
Belum ya? Nah, ini dia. Ini yang bulan 11 English for Business. Like formal self-introduction about applying a job. Bakal belajar tentang graph and chart juga. Ada beberapa phrases kayak buat angkat telepon itu gimana, buat business presentation itu gimana, ngasih feedback ke presentasinya seseorang itu gimana. And then kalau misal posisinya kita sebagai customer service, cara menyambut atau angkat telepon itu gimana. Ini di level 11.
11 ya, oke.
Yes, 11th level. Kalau misal di level 12, ini lebih ke untuk yang intermediate atau upper intermediate di level bisnis. Jadi lebih ke fokus pada pengembangan bahasa Inggris yang diperlukan untuk kemampuan komunikasi bisnis yang penting. Ini like lebih ke bahas communication. Next
Sisana will teach again in level 12 or same level, sis?
Actually, I have no idea about that because the academic team will decide in which
Oh,
class they will place. Jadi si sana hari Senin itu yang menentukan dari tim akademik ya. Si sana bulan ini pegang kelas apa gitu. Jadi saya juga belum tahu akan
okay.
handle kelas yang mana.
Okay, I got it. Okay, sis.
Okay, all right. So based on the poster, have you decided yet which level that you would like to take?
Maybe I don't know this.
Okay.
Yeah, only 11 is okay lah.
11 is okay.
11 verse,
Nanti
yes.
mungkin di sana kirim poster ini deh ke grup biar Bro Bobby.
Oh yeah, boleh sis.
Oke. Alright then, kalau gitu sudah jam 9, Bro
Yeah.
Bobby. Let's end this class. Before I close, any question or something that you want to say?
No sis, already clear.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much, Bro Bobby, for coming
Thank you.
today. Tomorrow we still have a meeting, so see you tomorrow.
See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow. Thank you.